2022 has been a year that's particularly challenging for the global lighting industry. Living with the pandemic, geopolitical instability, energy crisis, and falling purchasing power, consumers demand products with better price-performance value.
In the meantime, the rapid development of LED lighting allowed integration of industrial assets and scalable production, with many nations' incentive policies for domestic manufacturing. Semi-knockdown LED has become a mainstream demand on the international trade market. For example, in countries like Bangladesh, Pakistan, India, and Turkey.
Supporting the SKD model is like helping more entrepreneurs and businesses to grow together in the lighting industry. WELLMAX, as the LED bulb expert, has already amassed rich experience in providing a one-stop service solution for SKD clients. We offer you the WELLMAX Assembly Package. It includes products, assembling, marketing, and QA standard operating procedures that can help both novice and advanced clients to achieve excellent quality standards throughout their manufacturing process. Take this Ecoline LED bulb as an example. This product is included in the WELLMAX Assembly Package and is designed especially for the Bangladesh market.
T-bulb is a very popular product for Bangladesh. What's special for this Ecolite T-bulb?
First, Ecoline LED bulb is very energy saving. While the Bangladesh energy sector is booming, obtaining stable and clean electric supply has continued to be a challenge. The recent surge in energy prices has triggered more frequent power cuts. People need energy-saving lighting products. Ecoline LED bulb, compared to other high-power bulbs, can save 13 kWh under the same brightness produced. It gives people real savings of money. Ecoline LED bulb can achieve this because WELLMAX has our own strong R&D team, with engineers from Philips, Osram, and renowned universities. This allows us to support SKD clients with products that's best suited for your market needs.
Secondly, Ecolite is price competitive. With the global economy being hit, consumers' purchasing power has weakened, but they still wish to buy quality products. We have designed Ecolite to be both high quality and price competitive to meet the SKD clients' expectations. Our integrated supply chain ability has allowed large-scale sourcing of materials. Our strategic partnership with Samsung has empowered Ecolite with Samsung LED package. This will further strengthen SKD clients' brand value and brand recognition. Lastly, Ecolite offers 85 to 300 wide voltage range and 2.5 kV power surge protection, better withstanding thunderstorms and voltage collapse in certain regions. This allows Ecolite to have longer lifespan.
Ecolite for Bangladesh is designed for the markets that have a challenging power system and therefore higher energy demands. The product is suitable for similar markets such as Pakistan, Nepal, and Egypt. Other than product itself, WELLMAX Assembly Package provides additional value for SKD clients. For example, the WELLMAX packing standard SOP ensures semi-knockdown parts have 4 spots, minimizing damages during transportation. We will empower you with a clear step-by-step guide to follow throughout the pre-manufacturing and manufacturing process.
WELLMAX is the world's renowned LED bulb expert with 35 years of experience and 200 plus trusted client partners. Our WELLMAX Assembly Package will continue to innovate and upgrade to provide improved service and supports. If you are interested to know more, please feel free to contact us. We trust that we can help you build a differentiated and high-quality brand in your market.